Anywhere. I want to put it in my mouth. This is so unfair.
Emma! Ei, bichinha.
She's too focused. She's not going to focus.
Having dinner?
Emma.
Then you have it.
Okay.
No, I'd rather have this plastic bag. It's more fun.
Hey, don't put it in your mouth.
Are you filming this, Mom?
Feet. Happy feet.
It's so cute, and then she goes like this. Look.
I know. She loves the noises, that thing.
She's a cheap kid.
All kids are cheap when they're that age.
She's her toy can be a plastic bag that she can't get up to her mouth, and she can sit here for hours playing with it. I'm trying to figure out why it doesn't work.
Enjoy it while it lasts. She's a girl. She's not gonna be cheap for too long. She's gonna want makeup and bags and shoes and clothes. You're so true.
I think sometimes he wishes that it was a boy.
We're gonna make her. We're gonna make mommy.
Boy, are you saying you're not like an expensive kid right now? You are.
Exactly.
I want
No, actually, he's very.
No,
He's very easy. He's very easy. Come on. He likes these things because you give it to him. He was okay without it.
Ha ha.
He can have fun with a 99-cent toy, or he can, right?
Actually, yeah, he doesn't.
Remember
like
that.
expensive toys because the ones he got there are still in there unpacked.
No, that's not the point.
So yeah, maybe it's just better just to give you next year. I'm gonna give you a box.
Yay!
I'm gonna give
An
you
empty box.
an empty box with a
I can just
stick
rip
inside.
it off.
With a
I can
stick
just
inside.
rip it and have
Exactly.
a
He's
lot
gonna
of
be
fun.
That's what you're gonna get for
interested in that.
your birthday next year. Empty box.
Emma, she's getting frustrated. Okay, I'm out. Bye bye.